welcome to the channel. So in this channel, a lot of the stuff that I will be doing is working on mainly handheld consoles. There may be some bigger consoles here and there, but I really like to spend time modding them or refurbishing them, those kind of items. So what we have today, this is the Zelda 2DS. I've had it not very long. I bought this broken, so if we turn it on here, you'll see that both of the screens are completely cracked. So things I don't know if it's going to play any games. I don't really get any sound out of it. So what I want to go ahead and do is I want to open this thing up. I want to replace these screens. I do have a replacement. And then test further to see if that fixes it and if we have a nice running 2DS. So yeah, with that, we'll get to it. So the first part, easy as it is removing all the screws from the back and getting it so we can begin to take this guy apart. I may fast forward through a few parts. I don't know how much you really need to pay attention to me taking out screws until we get to the core of it, and then I might slow down and talk about things. So I'll continue to do this, and yeah, you can just watch and enjoy, and I'll tear it all down. So got it all apart. Next steps here would be to install a new screen. So this is the old one, this is the new one. This one I got off of AliExpress. So it's probably close enough, I would say. I don't know, really fast shipping. I buy a lot of things from AliExpress when it comes to these kind of things, just because there's a lot of websites out there where you purchase something for, say $30–40, and what you soon realize is that they're just purchasing it for like $10 from AliExpress and then upcharging essentially to the higher amount. So with that, I'm looking at this, and this doesn't look like this 2DS. This will be interesting. We'll see. It probably is. Yeah, I was wrong. I just forgot about this little guy. That was throwing me off. But that is on the other one as well. So we are good. We just have to get this aligned like so. We have that in. We'll go ahead, put the board back on top. There we go. And that's close enough. So from here, we're just gonna reassemble. I'll probably reassemble up into, once I get the battery in, and then validate that it works, and then we'll put the rest of the screws in. So bear with me here while I reassemble. so we got mostly together, so I guess it's the moment of truth here. Will it turn on? Don't cheat. Put in the comments if you think it'll turn on or not. Let's see. Oh no, it's not turning on at all. What happened? There we go. Looking pretty good. So yeah, I will take care of the rest of getting this thing all set up and finishing install. But yeah, so that's how you replace a 2DS screen. It's not a ton of work. There's some annoyances, you know, getting these perfect is important, otherwise they won't click properly. There's a particular way they fit in. The little cables, I'm just not a big fan, but I'm also a little fidgety, so it takes me a little bit longer than most probably to get those put back in. But otherwise, quite simple job. And the nice part is that really for $35 for broken Zelda 2DS, we have a perfectly working Zelda 2DS. So that's it for today. You know, this is a new channel for me. I do have another channel called Making the Big Ruckus, where I focus more so on motorcycles, repairing motorcycles, buying and flipping motorcycles, and all those kind of things. But end of the day, handheld consoles are a complete passion of mine. I enjoy them. Like I said, I like to mod them. I like to enhance them. You know, maybe I'll make an intro that kind of goes through all the ones I've already done that are in my personal collection. But I don't shy away from selling them on eBay time to time. I sell a lot of 2DS lights that way. Just getting those back up to snuff and in a new shell and all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned. Depending how this video does, I may do more. And, you know, I think, you know, for example, a future video, I have this case, which is a WarioWare case, which I don't know, I just find it entertaining and I like it. So maybe in the future video, I will do a Game Boy Advance and enhance some of the audio. Like example, I have stuff lying around here, like a Clean Amp Pro. You can put that on an advanced Game Boy Advanced and get better audio, and then you can put an amplifier so then it's better and louder by like 500 times, and put in a new screen and all that kind of stuff. You know, this one I'll put in like another example because it's laying around. This is a battery with USB-C, so you can put that in there as opposed to AA's, stuff like that. So stay tuned. You know, like I said, like, share, subscribe. I'll probably do many more videos because I do have quite a bit of items when I break it down. I mean, we can go on and on. I mean, you name it, I probably have it somewhere. These are all just that are within arm's reach, but you know, they're all worn out. People think they're junk, and at the end of the day, the amazing part of a handheld console, other than a Sega Game Gear, which you have to recap the whole thing, and I do have one that I've done for a Sega Game Gear, and I might do another here shortly. I have a case. I think I just got a case for it. Yeah, thinking about putting a Game Boy Advanced and or a Game Boy or Game Gear, wow, and something like that. So we'll see. Like I said, I got plenty of projects. I just don't have a ton of time. So yeah, with that, that'll end today's episode. I appreciate your time, and I hope you enjoy. Take care.